Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are looking at the Stratos Bora expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This one is an Ichimoku-based trading system with grid elements on EURUSD on the 1 hour time frame, the M15 time frame and others. And the seller positions it as an EA that uses this Ichimoku to deliver optimal results. It also shows strong backtests with high win rates and solid profit factors. I ran a full test on EURUSD to see the test and the real performance of this expert advisor. So ensure you watch until the end of this video to get the full picture and breakdown of the Stratos Bora. But before we dive into this expert advisor review, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free by using the link in the description below. So ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now, without wasting any much of your time, let's get started. This Stratos Bora was developed by the Michela Russo from Italy, and he is quite popular, has 4.5 stars out of 5 from a whopping 1898 ratings. It's quite popular, has 22 products and 2 signals, and this EA in particular has good ratings. We have 4.73 out of 5, has numerous reviews, over 100 reviews from users who have bought and used the EA. We have we have plenty positive comments from users, and also we have the comments from people who have tested it and people who have also used it. So this is the overview of the Stratos, and this is free. The EA is 100% free. It was developed in 2023 and it was last updated this year, so the developer is keeping a serious eye on the Stratos Bora. Now let's talk about the mechanism of this EA. It relies on Ichimoku cloud strategies, entering buys when price crosses above the key lines or the cloud, and sells on the opposite sides. It uses standard Ichimoku settings like the Tenkan, the Kijun, and the Senku spans for trend confirmation. It's basically 12 strategies into one. It adds controlled grid features with increment factors for position sizing and also for minimum gaps between orders, and rules like single trade per bar. Seller highlights flexible trading strategies, risk management, take profit rules, and scheduled trading opportunities. Their showcase result they, their showcase results include high win rates around 76%. We have a profit factor of 7.54 and relatively controlled drawdowns of 11% on the equity and 42.76%, 3.20% on the balance actually. And this was on pairs like GBP USD on the 1 hour time frame. This is how it looks. This is how it looks when it trades. This is how it basically loads the Ichimoku indicator on the chart, and you can see the strategy working live. You can see when the price crosses above or below the signal lines, indicating buy or sell signals depending on which. And we also have some other um backtest results here. This is on AUD USD on the 1 hour time frame over the span of 3 years, and we can see win rate of 95%, total net profit of 2,200 and $2,728. It's quite impressive. We have profit factor of 56.92 out of 509 trades taken. So they show some impressive results here. Very impressive results. Now let's talk about the key features that the market. We have the multiple Ichimoku strategies. We have the auto lot with risk levels, and we also have the grid increment. We have the gap controls. We also have the spread limits, the max concurrent orders, the trading day filters, customizable close rules. It is designed for traders who want a mix of cloud-based trend following with some averaging mechanism on the 1 hour time frame. This is some other inputs, some other settings. Unique magic number. You can also allow buy or sell orders, whichever you want. We also have the lot increase rules, the grid minimum gap, the multiplier. Everything is here and completely adjustable. Now these are the default settings from the developer himself, and I use these default settings to run a test on EURUSD on the 1 hour time frame for the full year 2025, June 2025 to June 2026, with a $10,000 deposit. Now the result was a net profit of about $1,249. We have a profit factor of 2.3. We also have max drawdown around 9 to 10% for the equity, and we also have the balance drawdown, which is very minimal at 0.52%. And these are incredible results. We have the win rate at 73%, and the total trades taken was just 711 trades. You can see the chart. We have the Ichimoku indicator embedded on the charts, and we see the grid multiplier and recovery system in action, trying to recover losses that were taken from here. You can see we also have, it takes multiple orders basically, and this can be risky. Sometimes it can actually be risky. You can see the equity curve, which showed steady long-term growth with a few recoverable drawdown periods, including some chop around early 2026. Here, this was very risky, but luckily for the expert advisor, the grid recovery system managed to take the account balance, the equity back to balance, and ended in a break-even and kept the trade going. Compared to the developer's strong showcase of numbers on other pairs, my Euro USD test was more moderate, but still delivered consistent gains with good risk controls, and also it's more recent. Yeah, so these are the inputs I used for my backtest based on the defaults. All of these are completely adjustable depending on your trade preference and your risk appetite. Now, my verdict for this EA is that it combines Ichimoku trend signals with light grid averaging in a manageable way, and the cloud logic works well in trending markets, but the grid elements can increase exposure during ranges. The risk level, the gaps, the concurrent orders are the settings that actually matter the most. Now, this is for intermediate traders who are familiar with Ichimoku, who can handle occasional drawdowns and want a hybrid system on the 1 hour time frame on Euro USD. And it's suitable for prop trading with proper tuning because of the drawdowns. The drawdowns can get up to 10%. So you should be able to tune that properly if you want to use it for prop. And beginners or pure trend following fans who dislike any grid should just avoid this expert advisor because it has those recovery systems embedded into it, unless you know how to tweak it, how to set it up properly. Yeah, now like this video if you want more real expert advice or reviews like this one. Subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on further reviews that will be coming up in a couple of days and weeks. Comment below which EA you want me to test next, and grab the free Forex robot from the description. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.